I've got to say, markets have gone here in the U.S. in the complete opposite direction of what you called for almost a year ago. What gives, Mark?
Well, we have to clarify this statement. I was expecting a correction for now 2 years. I think we've gone up in a straight line from October 2011 up to here. We're 3 years into this bull market where we didn't have more than a 10% correction. And this year has been irregular. So some indices like the S&P are up a modest 6%, and the Russell 2000 is down 4%. 50% of shares on Nasdaq are down 20% or more from their recent highs. In Asia, we had markets like the Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam, India, Thailand, Pakistan, that are all up between 20% and 28%.
Right.
So when people tell me that the S&P has been such a great place to be, I have to laugh, because emerging markets in Asia at least have done fantastically well.
Relatively speaking, yes, they haven't performed as well as some of those other markets you're talking about,
and
Mark.
By the way, yes, and by the way, last fall I was interviewed and I said I thought that at the time Treasury notes yielding 3% would be an interesting investment, and the yield has fallen to below 2.5%, and the dollar has been strong. So I don't know what you're complaining about.
What do you mean you don't know what I'm complaining about? Hang on 1 second, Mark.
Well, you make it sound as if I'm wrong about everything I projected.